Okay, in this video, I am going to explain quality management systems available in total quality management subject. Okay, so the fifth unit of total quality management. So already we have discussed about basic concepts of total quality management, and then previous video we also discussed about Tqm total quality management principles and some of the techniques used to analyze the process, and then these are things we have discussed in the previous videos. Okay, so in the fifth unit we are going to discuss about quality management systems. Okay, so in that these are topics we are going to discuss in the fifth unit. Benefits of ISO registration, and then ISO 9000 series of standards, ISO 9000 requirements and implementation, other sector specific standards, documentations, auditing, ISO 14000 series of standards, concepts, requirements and benefits, and the last one quality awards. So these are the topics I will discuss in the fifth unit. So in this video I want to explain benefits of ISO registration and then standards and implementation. Okay, so what is the quality management system? So quality management system is a set of coordinated activities to direct and control an organization in order to continually improve the effectiveness and efficiency of its performance. So it's nothing but it's one of the coordinated activities to direct it to produce some rules and regulations. The each and every organizations, every company must follow the some set of standards. So then only it efficiently improves performance. So this is quality management systems. So definition is something but international organization for standardization ISO define the term quality system as follows. Something but the quality system is the organizational structure, responsibilities, procedure, process and resource for implementing quality management. Okay. If you want to implement if you want to develop the good product, so you must follow one rules and regulations. That's a international organization for standards, international standard organization. So based on that, we can if we are follow these set of rules and regulations, so we will develop the good product. That's a quality product. That means the customer requirements. Okay, that's a it's a quality is nothing but a we can say the customer requirements. That means it reaches the minimum standards. Okay, so that is a quality is nothing but excellence. That means it reaches the minimum standards or fitness for use. Okay, based on the customer requirements, that is quality. Okay, so for that each and every organizations or company or any product development company should follow the ISO standards. Okay, so there are a lot of standards available. We will explain one by one. Okay, so that means that it refers on the organizational structure. So organization should be in some structure. Okay, so another one, it has some responsibilities. Each and every organization have some responsibilities, and also it follow the some set of procedure. Okay, so and each and every product, based on the product, the process will be available. Based on the each and every organization should follow the process for continuously improve the quality of the product. Okay, so this is International Organization for Standard Concepts. It is established in 1942 in Geneva, Switzerland. It is an association of national standard bodies. More than 150 countries are using these ISO standards. Okay, so it is established in 1942 in Geneva. There is a in Switzerland. Okay, so it is specialized as it is a specialized agency. The aim of this is to create coordination and unification of internal standards. So all over the world, all companies must follow the some rules and regulations for achieving the good quality of the product. Okay, it implies technical committee, subcommittee, and working group. So it have some technical committee and subcommittee and working group also. Okay, so ISO involves quality systems. That means how, who, when, where. Okay, so how the product will be developed based on the method and process. So we have a lot of methods and lot of process, and then in software we have many protocol, many algorithm. Based on that we have follow some set of rules and regulations. Okay, that's a how. Who, responsibilities and authorities. So who are going to develop the product. So who are going to use your product. Who have the most responsibilities in the particular product. That's a who. And then when, records and evidence. Each and every company or organization should maintain the records and also evidence. That's a when. And then where is nothing but for the for what purpose we are developing the product. That's a identification and then traceability. So you have to make based on that we can where the product is the stage of products. Okay, so we have a 10 stage means now the products developing stages at either 5 fifth stage or 6th like that we can identify. That's a ISO quality systems, how, who, when and where. Okay, so reason for implementing a quality systems. So that means user experience clearly indicates the several significant improvements in the following areas. First reason is improved employee involvement. Average gain is 100%. All employees should involved in the product development. That's 100%. Improved housekeeping. So average gain is 140%. And then improved decision making based on the fact and data. The average gain is 95%. Improved customer satisfaction, and then improved safe working, reduced customer complaints, reduced inspection efforts, reduced quality cost. Okay, so these are the main objective of the for implementing the quality systems. So these are the main objective or main reasons why the organization standards must be implemented. Okay, so all organizations must follow the some set of reasons. So these are some of the reasons for following the ISO formats. Okay, and then these are some of the ISO family standards. One is ISO 9000 2015. So title is nothing but fundamentals and then vocabulary. So here quality management systems based on fundamentals and vocabulary provides the main aim is provides information about the concepts and vocabulary used in the other two standards, and these standards serves as a reference to the support for interpretation of requirements. And the another standard ISO 9000 2015. So quality management systems based on the requirements provides the requirements that the organization must meet in order to achieve the certifications. ISO 9000 is the only standard within the ISO 9000 family that may be used for registration or certification. So another one is ISO 9000 2019. So quality management, quality of an organization guidance to achieve standard success. The main objective or main scope of this ISO 9000 2008 is nothing but provide guidance for enhancing organization's ability to achieve sustained success, establishes a quality management that not only meets the customer requirements but also focus on improving performance. ISO 9004 is not a requirement and does not lead to a certifications. These are some of the ISO 9000 family standards. Okay, so here we have a lot of versions of ISO 9000 standards. ISO 9000 established in 1987, ISO 9009 established in 1994, ISO 9000 2000 and the 2005 and the 2008 and the 2015. So this ISO 9000 is the latest ISO standards as on date. Okay, 2000 ISO 9000 2015 is the latest standards. Okay, when some organization says ISO 9000 certified, it means that it has meet the requirements of ISO 9000 standards. That means if ISO certified institution is nothing but it satisfies some of the requirements in the ISO 9000 rules and regulations. Okay, so that's ISO 9000 process. Okay, so another ISO 9000 quality management principles. Here the ISO 9000 standards are based on the seven quality management principles. The seven quality management principles form the basics for the ISO 9000 family of standards. These principles are a set of comprehensive and fundamental rules are believed for leading and operating an organizations. Okay, it provides some of the rules and regulations for leading good organizations. Okay, the seven is based on one is a customer focus. Your product must be based on customer focus. Another one in organization it maintain the leadership, and then third point it maintain the engagement of pupils. Okay, another one is fourth one process approach, fifth one improvement, and the sixth one evidence based decision making. Seventh one relationship management. These are the quality management principles. Okay, so another one this is some of the requirements in the ISO 9001: introduction, scope, normative reference, terms and definitions, context for the organization, leadership, planning, support, operations, and then performance evaluations, and then improvements. These are the ISO 9000 2015 requirements. So the latest is ISO 9000 2015, the standard organizations to provide some set of rules and regulations. Okay, so thank you.